Okay, now let's talk about cells, uh, tissues, and organs. What are they and what is their concept? Cells are the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms, for example, bacteria and humans. So, as you can see, that this planet Earth contains broadly two kinds of things. One are living, which can breathe, respire, eat, walk, reproduce, and the others are those which are not having these qualities, like they cannot breathe, they cannot walk, they cannot talk, they cannot reproduce, like stones, water, soil, air. These are all non-living. So now let's focus on the living things only. Like we are living, plants are living, animals and plants and bacteria, we are all living. So all living things form their structure. Like we are bipedal, we walk on 2 feet. There are tetrapedal, like animals walk on 4 feet. So all these organisms, either they are plants or animals, they are made up of small units like this. As you can see, small bricks unite and therefore make a wall. So similarly, small cells, small unit, they organize, form a structure which we call humans and bacteria and all the other living things. You name it, they are made up of the cells. Their structure, whatever their structure may be, they may have hundreds of feet, they may have nothing like feet, but they will move, they will eat, they will respire, all are living. So if a thing is living, it means they are made up of small units. We call them cells. So cells are the structural and functional unit of all living things. Whatever we do, whatever we are doing right now, it is all because of these cells. If we do not have these cells, we do not have any existence. So now next is the tissues. Similar kind of cells, like same kind of cells, when they unite like this, they form an organized structure. We call them tissues. Like if you see the heart is four chambered, two upper chamber and two lower chamber, and this heart pumps blood in the whole body. And we say that this heart is a pumping organ or a pump which transport the blood in the whole body. So it is an organ which is responsible for transportation of blood, and this heart is made up of same kind of cells which form tissues. Like this is an organized structure. When they organize, they form a structure we call heart, or tissues which is made up, which then make heart, lungs, eyes, anything. So they are same type of cells combined, same kind of cells combined and form an organized structure like this. This is an organized structure and do the same function, and their function is to make heart, which is an organ of blood transportation. For example, cardiac tissue, these are cardiac tissues which make this heart, and meristematic tissues, these are the tissues which make plants. So these tissues are larger unit and cells are smaller unit. Now when you organize things a little further, then they become organs, and organs are the same type of tissues organized and form an organ like heart, as we mentioned it earlier, heart, Lungs are also organs, and eyes are also organs. These organs then make a system which we call organ system. And any organ system or many organ system make an organism, like plants are organisms, animals are organisms, humans are organisms, multicellular or unicellular. Multicellular, which are made up of many cells, and unicellular, which are made up of only single cell, like bacteria. Hope this makes sense. If you do want me to discuss any other topic, please do comment it. We will discuss, inshallah. Take care.